CJ Affiliate Program Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to CJ Affiliate and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Let's dive right into the review. CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction, is one of the most well-established affiliate networks in the industry, offering a wide variety of products and services for affiliates to promote. The platform connects affiliates with top-tier brands across various niches, including retail, finance, travel, and more. It is designed for affiliates at all levels, from beginners to advanced marketers, offering a vast selection of high-converting offers and excellent support for scaling affiliate businesses. CJ Affiliate provides a user-friendly platform with a powerful set of tools for tracking and reporting, helping affiliates optimize their campaigns. The platform supports multiple commission models, including CPA, CPS, and CPL, offering flexibility for affiliates to choose how they want to monetize their traffic. One of the standout features of CJ Affiliate is its extensive network of reputable advertisers, giving affiliates access to offers from well-known global brands. CJ also offers in-depth reporting and analytics to help affiliates track conversions and identify trends. Additionally, the platform provides a variety of payment options, including PayPal, checks, and direct deposit, with a reasonable minimum payout threshold of $50. Strengths. The key strength of CJ Affiliate is its extensive and diverse network of advertisers. Affiliates can promote offers from well-known high-quality brands, which generally leads to better conversions. The platform is highly reliable, with real-time reporting and analytics that allow affiliates to optimize campaigns quickly. CJ's easy-to-use interface and excellent customer support also make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced marketers. Another benefit is the flexible commission models, which allow affiliates to tailor their strategies based on their traffic sources and goals. Weaknesses. Despite its strengths, CJ Affiliate does have a few drawbacks. One of the main weaknesses is that the network can be quite competitive, especially in popular niches. With so many affiliates promoting the same offers, it may be harder for newcomers to stand out. Additionally, while the platform is solid, some affiliates feel that its reporting tools could be more detailed or customizable to meet the needs of more advanced marketers. Finally, CJ's approval process for new affiliates can sometimes be a bit strict, which might be a challenge for beginners who are just starting to build their affiliate businesses. Final verdict. CJ Affiliate is an excellent choice for affiliates looking to promote high-quality, well-known brands across a variety of niches. With a strong network, flexible commission models, and reliable support, it's a solid platform for both beginners and experienced marketers. However, the competition can be fierce, and the platform's approval process and reporting tools may not be ideal for everyone. If you're looking to promote reputable offers and work with global brands, CJ Affiliate is definitely worth considering. Check the links in the description to get started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate network reviews.